Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I start with the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Respected teachers, students, and all of you, Assalamu alaikum. So today we are here to show our feeling to our armed force. I am very happy to join you to celebrate the Defence Day, and it is a matter of great pleasure to me that I am addressing to some of the present and the future corporate leaders of our country. As all of you know very well, that we are celebrating the 47th Defence Day of Pakistan. So we are here to celebrate Defence Day. शहीदों की ज़मीं है जिसे पाकिस्तान कहते हैं, ये बंजर हो के भी कभी बुज़दिल पैदा नहीं करेगी. On 6 September 1965, the Indian Army attacked on Pakistan force from Lahore Burki sector. Major Raja Bhatti and many brave soldiers who sacrificed their life for the integrity of our country. Now I am tell about Major Raja Bhatti. Major Raja Bhatti was born in Hong Kong. His father's name was Abdullah and he was a teacher. Major Raja Bhatti fought bravely against enemy for 6 days and nights without taking any rest. He laid down his life for the defense of our country. When Major Raja Bhatti was asked to take rest, he tell into this word, "Do not recall me. I don't want to go back. I will shed the last drop of my blood for the defense of my country." वतन की खातिर जान का नजराना पेश करने वालों को पाकिस्तान की तरफ से सलाम.